Hello, welcome to the video of Introduction to Financial Plan Construction. So we are going to introduce you today to our flagship workshop on financial plan construction. We would be telling you in this particular video, we are going to explain what are the contents of the video, who should attend, and why this is the best program for you to attend if you are serving the clients, if you are handling the clients in personal finance. So first come first, course objective. The objective of the program is to equip the participant with the skill to make a comprehensive, goal-based financial plan in Microsoft Excel so the participant can handle different kind of client situations and deliver customized solution in a comprehensive manner. So basically the purpose that why we created this workshop, the purpose is to ensure that you do not have to depend on a software. Okay? There are a lot of softwares, financial planning softwares available, but the problem with those softwares is that the customization is limited. Each client is unique, as you would be knowing being a financial planner or advisor. Each client has its own situations and it is not possible to customize the plan to the desired level. That's why Excel is the best software to go for to make a financial plan. And we would like to inform you that the program will start with the basic and move on to the advanced level and incorporate scenario analysis using what if analysis tools and macros in MS Excel for the assumptions taken to forecast future earnings growth and investment returns. So what we are talking about in the 2-day journey or in the 14 hours journey that we'll be taking along with you if you enroll for the program, we'll start with very basic levels like present value, future value, time value functions, but we will move to quite an advanced level where by the end of the program, you will be able to do what if analysis, scenario analysis using advanced Excel functions. You will be able to record macros, advanced functions like goal seek, data table, macro, offset, VLOOKUP, and the use of developer tab to create scenarios using drop-down box functionality will be explained in detail. So at the end of the day, your plan will not be a simple Excel sheet. It would be a fully working multi-scenarios financial plan. Pedagogy, if I come to pedagogy, the program will be delivered in live virtual format using Zoom, wherein the participants can interact with the trainer on real-time basis. It's not like even time lag also, or you don't have to rely. It's a live virtual classroom. So rest assured the program would be as good as being delivered physically. Thanks to this Corona thing, we have not been able to do face-to-face program, but this is the closest we get to face-to-face program. Participants will be able to attend the training from the comfort of their homes. They do not have to come out. Recordings of the session, that is a very important part. Not many people will provide you this, but we will provide you unlimited access to the recording. Okay? So recording of the session shall be available with detailed step-wise manual with the screenshots on the steps in making a financial plan. So if after the workshop, if after the program, you would like to revisit what are the concepts that have been covered in the program, you can look at the recordings again. The program is hands-on in nature, and we would expect you to make the financial plan either along with the trainer or maybe before the next session, you will be able to complete this class's work. Because this is not a preaching workshop, it is a skill workshop. The program has been running for last 7 years. It's very well accepted and appreciated, attended by more than 500 financial planners across 15 cities in this country. We have conducted this physically, this program in 15 cities of the country. Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, nothing we have left. We have covered more the program, but we believe with the enhanced reach in Zoom, it will be possible for people from the smaller cities to attend this program also now. It enables the participant to create a new financial plan themselves from the scratch. And we are not talking about any templates here. Many people would tell you, would give you a template and ask you to fulfill the values. But here we are not talking about templates. We are talking about starting from blank Excel sheets and making your own templates. This is what we are talking about. Self-help user manual and video instruction available for post-workshop support. This is I've already discussed, recording and manual. You will be able to learn to create detailed amortization schedules, EMI calculator, step-up SIP calculator, what-if scenarios, advanced Excel functions like macros, data tables, goal seek, etc. will be covered, so that once you are able to make a financial plan, then it will not be a single assumption based. You will be able to multiply assumptions, you will be able to test your financial plan under stress situations or better situations. You'll be able to do that, and you will be taught how to generate the financial plan in a PDF format, which can be given to the client either as a soft copy or taking printout as a hard copy. We'll be also talking about formatting tips and shortcuts in Excel. Why we are going to talk about formatting tips? Because when you are presenting a financial plan, it will be a report. And aesthetics also play a very important role when I'm talking about a good financial plan. We will tell you how to make your financial plan look good and convenient. We'll tell you how to make charts and graphs, because graphics is something which people understand very easily. So you will have a complete financial plan with multiple scenarios, the drop-down button. You will have graphs, charts, everything at the end of the program, and you will be able to take the output of the financial plan in the PDF format. Now we come to the duration of the program. The duration of the program is 14 hours. We'll divide into 7 sessions of 2 hours each, or 6 sessions, out of which 4 sessions will be 2 hours and 2 sessions will be 3 hours each. The program will be delivered in post-market hours, so we are not going to interfere with your working time, and mostly in weekends. Okay? We know that all our people or our attendees and future attendees are working professionals. So we keep the program in post-market hours in weekends. The major concepts are these. You can see financial plan construction, developing a template, loan amortization, tax liability calculation, insurance coverage and premium optimization, net worth, charts and graphs in Excel, scenario analysis, what if functions, recording macros, presentation of financial plan. These will be covered. And now comes a very important question. Who should attend this program? Entrepreneurs, people who are working in the area of financial advisory and planning, running own firms, or who wish to run their own firm will find this workshop very useful. People who are working as a registered investment advisor with SEBI, and you want to take NISM 10A or 10B examination. Corporate, people working in corporate, wealth management, portfolio management division, insurance and mutual fund advisors. Professionals, candidates who are pursuing CFP program, CFP practitioners, chartered financial analysts, chartered accountants, company secretaries, ICWA, MBA finance, IFS, financial planning aspirants, anybody who has some stake in personal finance, who would like to learn more about personal finance and personal financial planning, will find this program interesting. And last but not the least, students who are pursuing CFP, CWM, CIWM, CCRA, or who look to take NISM Series 10A and 10B certification will find this program very useful. Now we come to the very important question, investment. How much you need to invest? Program fees is 11,900 inclusive of all. So there is no GST extra. 11,900 is the program fees. And if you have some 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, do not hesitate to ask discounts from us. We have group discounts available. The dates of the program are 15th to 24th of January in the evenings. And for more queries about the program, if you want to know, you can call us on these numbers, 90041 3830 9987639 Thanks for your time, and see you in the program. You can email on this ID, any of these IDs. Thanks a lot for your time, and hope to see you in the program. Thanks a lot.